This garlic is telling me it's time to get fed. As you can see, the tips of the leaves are turning yellow, and that means it needs some fertilizer. Specifically for the leaves, it needs nitrogen. But I have to be careful because I don't want to give too much nitrogen, because then I'll only get leaves and I won't get bulbs. And I'm only 60 days away from when I will be harvesting this garlic. And 30 days before harvest, I do not want to fertilize at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do two things. I'm going to fertilize with a 463, so it's a little bit higher in the NPK in the middle, in the P, and this is more for bulbing, but it still will give some nutrition for the nitrogen side for the leaves as well, because the leaves are important as well. And this will take about a month to break down. And so it will end just in time for me to stop fertilizing. And then for the next month, every 2 weeks, I'm going to use this tomato and veg 242. So again, it's a little bit higher in the phosphorus side. So think about it too, the N and the P and the K. The N is for above the ground nutrition. The P is for below ground nutrition. And then the K is all the micronutrients that the plant may need. We're at the home stretch, so this is the time to really pay attention to your garlic. We've been leaving it dormant all winter long. It's been in the ground 6-7 months already. Garlic is one of the longest growing plants that we have. It takes about 9 months for it to grow. And so this isn't the time to forget about it. This is the time to really pay attention to it so that we make sure that we get big bulbs and a good harvest. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in the granular fertilizer, and read the instructions on the back of the fertilizer that you have, how much space or how much you need for that particular area. But let me lower you a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Let me back you up. So I'm just going to kind of do one row so you can see what I'm doing. You don't want to put it around the stem. You want to put it around a perimeter around the bulb, because you don't want to burn the roots. So you want to go around, and then you want to use your hands or a little rake, and you want to put it into the dirt, the soil, because it needs to go under the soil to begin breaking down. And then we're going to water it in. And then once we water it in, then we're going to put the fish fertilizer in as well, because we want to make sure that the ground is very hydrated before we put in the fish fertilizer as well. Now we're putting in the liquid fertilizer, and I'm going to kind of just spread it around. So that's really a little simple tip. We're really trying to make sure that we have a good garlic harvest. And so this is a quick little video to tell you, pay attention to your garlic and keep farming on, my friends, and we'll see you next time.